To do adding and subtracting, we just need to have to make sure the radicals are exactly the same. So when we look at this problem, all the radicals are the same. So radical 2 would be part of our answer. Then all we do is add the numbers. 5 plus 7 minus 6 is 6. And that's the answer. So when the radicals aren't the same, like these, we simplify first. So this would simplify to 9 and 2, which 9 is 3 and 3. We have a pair of numbers, so the 3 comes out. So we get 6 radical 2. We do the same thing with this problem. 2 and 16. 16 is 4 and 4. So the 4 comes out. So we end up with 8 radical 2. And then the 72 has a 9 and an 8, which is 3 and 3. And a 4 and a 2. 2 and a 2. So we have our 2's and 3's come out. So that'll be 6 radical 2. And once you simplify them, notice how all the radicals are the same now. So that's part of our answer, and then all we do is add the number. 6 plus 8 plus 6 happens to be 20. And so our answer is 20 radical 2. To multiply radicals, it doesn't even matter. All we do is multiply numbers that are on the outside. 3 times 2, which is 6. And multiply the numbers that are on the inside. 2 times 6 is 12. And then we simplify. Well, this has a 2 and a 6 and a 2 and a 3. There's our pair of 2's that will come out. It's multiplied. Once it's out, it can be multiplied, and until then, it stays in. So then we have our 12 radical 3 as our answer. Here we're going to distribute. So the 3 gets multiplied by the 2, which is 6. 5 gets multiplied by 5, but that's a pair. So in reality, the 5 comes out, so it's times 6. Then I'm going to do my 3 times my 5, which would be 15, and the 5 times the 3, which happens to be radical 15. So this is 30 plus 15, radical 15. And because they do not have the same radical, we can't add them, and so this is our answer. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the FOIL method to multiply these because it's two binomials. So I'm going to take my first and I'm going to multiply it by my first. When I multiply number times number, you can do this in your calculator, I'll get 10 radical 20. And when I multiply it by this one, I'm going to get minus 25 radical 2. Then I'm going to multiply this inside one, so that's going to be 6 radical 50. And it's going to be minus 15 radical 5. If we simplify our radicals, so I'm just going to go ahead and simplify, this becomes 20 radical 5, which your calculator will do all this. This one's already simplified. This one gets simplified to 30 radical 2. And your calculator does this, like I said, 15 radical 5. We can add our like terms. So these two are like terms. When I add them, I'm going to get 5 radical 5. And then these two are like terms because they have the same radical. So I'm going to get 5 radical 2. And so these are simplified and they can't be added, so this will be your answer.